Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture I'm going to show you how to get the material, and all the material is hosted on GitHub. You can just follow the link. I will also link it in the description of this lecture. So if you go here you can find all the material, and if you are familiar in using GitHub then you know what to do. You can just go to code, copy the link and clone the repository. But for the ones who are not that familiar with GitHub, because this is not a GitHub course, there's also a simple way of doing it. You can just click on code and click on download zip. Then the zip file is downloaded to your system and we can extract it into a local folder. So for this, I can go just to the Windows Explorer. I've created at a specific place. It doesn't matter where it is. I created a folder called My Udemy Courses, and ideally you have my other course in here as well, which is PyTorch Ultimate. Okay, and in this folder you can just create a new one, which we can call Image Segmentation. And we have our zip file. All right, we have here now our folder. At the left hand side, and at the right hand side we have our zip file, which we can just go into the subfolder, and at some place you can find the individual files and the folders, and you can just drag and drop it to our working folder. So here we are. All right, and basically now we are ready to start. The next thing is just to open up VS Code and open the folder which we just assigned here. So alright, so now we have here our image segmentation folder opened and we are ready to start. That's all on how to get the code. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next lecture.